Uh, Good afternoon. Shall I start?
Or two of us can sit that side.
Shall I start?
Yeah, Dr. Raju, you can start.
We are all familiar with the how binocularity is achieved in an indirect ophthalmoscope by using prisms or mirrors. The mobile-based indirect ophthalmoscopy is based on monocular indirect ophthalmoscopy, and the video indirect ophthalmoscope records videos in 2D. With so many options for fundus imaging available, why one more? What's different? What I'm going to present to you is an futuristic idea. It's a completely digital device with no optics of the ophthalmoscope being involved. What are the new possibilities? Well, you will be able to see an erect image. We can reinvert the image at the click of a button. Real-time teaching. Students can see the images in 3D as seen by the examiner in real time. And we may also be able to transmit the images remotely for management advice, especially for ROP. We can record videos in 3D. Not only this, we'll be able to see this on a very large screen, right in front of your eyes. As large screen as 201 inches of screen right in front of your eyes. Is this all possible? Yes. How can we do this? We can do this by using a twin camera system and an head-mounted near-eye display. So this is the concept device wherein you have the two cameras and the LED light placed close to each other, and the images from each of these cameras are transmitted to each of the eye. What happens is the right camera sends the image to the right near-eye device and the left camera to the left near-eye device. You can also have two more additional cameras set at 60 or 65 mm IPD, and using this, you can do record ophthalmoscopic oculoplastic examinations and squint evaluations, and with appropriate software, one can digitally overlay the scales of measurements, making these examinations accurate, recordable, repeatable, eliminating the subjective errors. And as told in the previous presentation, AI can also be used to automate these examinations. As a proof of concept, I funded and got these two devices, near-eye devices. I was an early backer for this Dream Glass, and using this, we are able to record the fundus images using the near-eye devices. And we also applied a patent for the concept. So this is how I would want the indirect ophthalmoscope to look like in future. With the Apple getting into the AR/VR game, mobile phones are likely to make a way out. 5G technology will allow rapid data transmission, allowing real-time data transfer, and camera sensor technology also is making huge strides. Using all this put together, if we can come together and create a device like this, it can be a game changer for the ophthalmic examination and teaching purposes. The form factor is going down so much that the near-eye devices are going to look like this in near future. And you'll be able to see the large screen right in front of your eyes to see the images, and can be used for even near-eye surgeries. All your surgeries, what you're doing, seeing a 3D screen, can also be used or can be changed to the near-eye devices. This is from Samsung. This is what is going to be expected in near future. So my conclusion is, this is one device with many possibilities. You'll be able to do not only the 3D indirect, but also use it for the stereoscopic view, point of view examinations, better training of postgraduates, simultaneous viewing, advanced examination for oculoplasty and squint is also possible, and we can also integrate laser into this device, making it a wholesome device for use in ophthalmoscopy in future. Thank you.
Very nice. What will be the cost, Raju?
The cost of this near-eye device, if at all, it's going to be around somewhere around 1 lakh, sir. 1 lakh to 2 lakhs is what is going to be the device. The Apple one is the costliest one. That's costing around 3.5 lakhs. But if you're going forward, I think the technology is going to become cheaper and cheaper as more players are getting into it. Only thing, if we come up with a better idea to integrate all of them, I think we'll be in a position to harness the technology.
Very nice.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.